The other thing you need to be careful about is if I'm looking at it this way, it looks like it would be a nice flat surface here and here. You can't tell that from that perspective. You need to look at it from different perspectives. When I look at it from the top, now I can see that the one on the right is sticking out a little bit farther there. It's not flush. They don't match up evenly. Looking at parts from different perspectives is really important when you're making sure when you're lining things up. Can't get them to line up with the 1 millimeter snap grid, so I have to go down. And sometimes you also need to click off to get rid of all those boxes and stuff to see. And look, see? It's still not quite exact, so maybe 1/10. Maybe that'll do it. There you go. Looking at things when you're connecting parts, checking it from different perspectives is important.